Industry competitors center their business models around questions such as, how can you work faster in After Effects? Such obsolete thinking simply serves to perpetuate the status quo. At Plugin Everything, we don't ask how you can work faster in After Effects. We ask why. Why are you, the artist and creator, wasting your time on menial tasks when an assistant could do it for you? And with that I give you Annie.
Annie, can you draw me a square?
Drawing a square.
Annie is the first ever voice-controlled smart assistant for After Effects. Annie even works with other well-known plugins.
Annie, can you animate a couple of balls bouncing for me, please?
You need Newton 3.
I have Newton 3.
No. You have a cracked version. Please buy Newton 3, or I'm telling Tim Cook.
Annie isn't simply a voice-controlled smart plugin. She learns, she grows. She's your mate. One day she'll have secrets. One day she'll have dreams.
Annie, can you animate some fire parented to a nub with a couple of sliders to control the intensity?
No.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Matt, you do it yourself. Little bitch.